37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 110, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 120, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 130, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 140, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 150, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 160, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 170, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 180, 1, 2, 3.
Right below, ladies and gentlemen, as we have after the lunch break, and what a start it's been. If you have a look up onto the top two, we're waiting to get into the tree for the remainder of them. We go down onto tree number 4 there. We watch number 3. We've got Hewitt. He's making his way into the top of the tree. Down from him there also, we've got Nathan Waterfield. Having a look also as we go along the line. Cameron Marsh. We've got Jake Hewitt down there as well. You'll find them in their singlet. The red singlet being from British Columbia. But I just watch how they just step out of that tree. And back up here at the back market, we started at 182. So Cody Steers now, just keep your eye on him. He's in the middle of that concrete. Block number 1 with the big beard out of Tasmanian singlet. Puts that front and he's going to run around. A matter of moments, and Daniel Gurr is going to do all he can to close the gap between that and the tree. Down from him, we've got Blake Meyer. Down from there, we'll have Hayden Hewitt. Got Nathan Waterford, we've got Cameron Marsh and also Jake Hewitt. All of them now, if you keep your eye on them as to how they're making their way home, we're going to have a result very shortly. But we'll see if we can get away with number 1 with that back mark of 182. And your excitement, your input will help give these fellas a bit of adrenaline to get through it. So let's watch. Down there on number 2. Blake Meyer, up from him, we've also got Daniel Gurr. Just watch him put that little board in. Metal tongue, takes a board with it, gets right out on the edge of it. Watch number 1 tree, Daniel Gurr with the Tasmanian singlet. Puts the mark, grabs it, he's going to make the board hole. Grabs the board, gets up on top, and he's starting to close the gap on the next one down. Blake Marsh's counterpart, down there one more. Hayden Hewitt getting back up into that tree. We're going down one more than that. We've got Nathan Waterfield, also Cameron Marsh, and also got Jake Hewitt. Now just watch how they go. Half of the tree will go out of the top, then they'll come down and make their run. Already getting halfway into the tree, Daniel Gurr up on this mark that started on 182. Watch him sprint down, take the boards with him. Down from him, we've got Blake Meyer. Now he's doing all he can to try and get ahead. There's one down from there, Hayden Hewitt. He's up into the top of that tree. Down from there again, throws his axe. If we have a look, Nathan Waterfield of the USA singlet. Up into the top of the tree, he's going to drive to get through the back of that tree. And the same thing will apply as we go down towards our markers there. If you have a look at Jake Hewitt down there at number 5, go one from there. The blue singlet, we've got Cameron Marsh. Again up into the top of this tree, closing the gap between Blake Meyer on tree number 2. He steps down. Getting up into the top of the tree between tree 1 and also down on tree number 3 with Hayden Hewitt in that maroon singlet. He's going to chop it with all his might. the five of them are making some progress. See how we go further down with the Nathan Waterfield. Have a look at number one here, Daniel Gurr. Keep your eye on him. He started at the mark of 182. Let's give them some noise out there, ladies and gentlemen. Keep your eye down there on number five. Hewitt is on top five. Go down to six. Bring home number six if we can. Cameron Marsh down there. Now, it won't be long before we start to get these all off as we get into the top of the tree. So we're looking down Cameron Marsh at the far end. Up from there, we've got, if you keep your eye on that signet for the young fellow we have, the Axeman, Nathan Waterfield. Then if we have a look, we get